Have you ever looked at a design online and thought, wait, this actually looks good? And then the second thought hits you, hold on, was this made with AI? Because usually you can tell. Most AI-generated designs feel impressive for about 5 seconds. They look flashy, they look detailed. But the moment you try to actually use them, everything starts falling apart. The text isn't editable. The spacing feels random. The hierarchy doesn't really make sense. And if your headline is even slightly wrong, you're stuck regenerating the entire thing, or rebuilding the design manually in another app. So instead of saving time, AI ends up creating more work. That's why I want to show you a tool that genuinely surprised me. Not because it generates pretty images, but because it actually understands the process of design. This tool is called Lovart, and the easiest way to explain Lovart is this. It doesn't behave like an image generator. It behaves like a creative partner. Lovart stays with you from the messy idea stage, to exploration, to refinement, to final usable visuals, all inside one workspace. This isn't about replacing designers. It's about removing friction from the creative process. Lovart is built as a full creative hub. You can use it for posters, branding visuals, social media content, campaign graphics, and even layouts that can later be adapted for video or motion work. Instead of forcing you to think in tools and settings, Lovart lets you think in ideas. You describe what you want in normal language, the way you'd explain it to another human, and Lovart treats that like a proper creative brief. It breaks your idea down into structure, hierarchy, typography, and color logic. Then it chooses the right AI models in the background and generates multiple design directions directly on a live canvas. And that canvas is where everything changes. When you open Lovart, you land inside what they call the chat canvas. Think of it as a shared workspace between you and the AI. Your designs appear in the center. You have layers, controls, and export options on the side. And at the bottom, a chat-style input where you talk to the AI. Every generation, every edit, every refinement happens in this same space. So instead of jumping between tools, you're having a visual conversation. Let's walk through a real example. Imagine we're designing a modern poster for a coffee brand. Normally, you'd start by searching for references, choosing a template, setting up sizes, picking fonts, all before the actual design even begins. Here, I just described the idea, something like create a modern, minimal coffee poster with a clean layout, bold typography for coffee time, and a warm brown and cream color palette. Include clear space for a headline, subheading, and call to action. Generate 4 design variations with slightly different layouts and moods. Use a 1080 x 1350px vertical format optimized for Instagram, while keeping the design easily adaptable for print. That's it. Lovart doesn't interrupt me with technical questions. It understands the intent. After a short moment, Lovart generates exactly what you asked for. Not just one design, but multiple concepts based on the number of directions you mentioned in the prompt. Because you can tell it how many options you want and what size you're designing for. Whether that's a vertical social post, a square format, or something print-ready. Each concept explores a different layout and hierarchy, with slightly different moods and visual emphasis. One might feel more premium, another more playful, and another more bold or editorial, all already built to the dimensions you specified. So instead of adjusting sizes later or regenerating everything, you're reviewing design options that are already usable from the start. This is exactly how real designers work, exploring directions before locking anything in. You can scroll through these designs, zoom in, compare details, and really feel which one fits your brand or project. You're not settling, you're deciding. Once I find a direction I like, I open it up on the canvas. And here's where most AI tools usually fail, but Lovart doesn't. The design is not a flat image. The text exists as real, editable layers. Headlines, subheadings, call to action text. So if the headline doesn't feel right, I don't regenerate anything. I simply click on it and change coffee time to morning fuel for busy creators. The layout adjusts automatically, spacing rebalances, alignment stays clean, the overall style remains consistent. No image degradation, no starting over. If you've ever worked with clients, marketers, or content teams, you know how powerful this is, because most feedback is small text changes, and those small changes usually cost the most time. Here, they take seconds. Now let's talk about one of Lovart's most impressive features. It's called Touch Edit. Instead of selecting layers manually or drawing complex masks, you simply click on the area you want to change and explain the change in words. Let's say the background feels a bit boring. I click on the background area behind the coffee cup and type, "Make this a soft premium gradient, warm brown, fading into cream with subtle texture." Lovart understands exactly what I'm pointing at. It locks the product, it locks the text, it locks the layout, and it only updates the background. Clean edges, high resolution, no weird artifacts. This doesn't feel like software, it feels like direction. Like you're pointing at a design and saying, "Hey, this part needs to feel warmer and more premium," and the AI just gets it. When you need more precision, it's there too. Lovart supports proper layer-level editing. You can select individual elements, resize them to change emphasis, move them to improve balance, adjust spacing and stacking order. So if the coffee cup needs to be the hero, you scale it up slightly. If the logo feels disconnected, you reposition it. If the text hierarchy feels weak, you tighten the spacing. And because everything happens on the same canvas, you see results instantly. No exporting, no switching tools, no rebuilding layouts. That immediacy changes how you design. Now imagine using this workflow beyond a single poster. For branding projects, Lovart helps maintain consistency. Same colors, same typography logic, same layout rhythm, even as you generate new visuals. For infographics and structured designs, the AI understands hierarchy and spacing, making complex information easier to organize. For social media and motion-ready content, you can design one strong base visual and adapt it into multiple formats instead of starting from scratch every time. And once you find a direction that works, you don't lose it. You can duplicate a design, treat it like a template, swap the content, and let the AI keep everything aligned with the original style. Thumbnails, ads, carousels, campaign graphics, everything starts feeling like part of one system, not random AI outputs. And that's really the point. Lovart isn't here to replace designers. It's here to remove friction, the repetitive edits, the constant rebuilding, the time wasted fixing things that AI usually gets wrong. From idea to exploration to refined, usable designs, all in one place. If you create content or designs regularly, this kind of tool can genuinely fit into your workflow as a creative partner, not just a gimmick. And if you want me to test Lovart on a specific use case, YouTube thumbnails, Instagram carousels, or even a full campaign kit, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.